Give it some juice. Yep, there you go. There you go. Okay.
That Bondo?
Oh no, we forgot the heat.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's that. I was.
That's good. I like that.
That I would say that's a good.
Like that. That's crazy. Okay.
Quick.
So yeah, it's super quick. I think it's
It's not like the glue doesn't get soft.
Where it's supposed to be. You didn't put that one under lateral tension, but you probably could have.
could have.
Right?
Could
Just
have.
set up or like take the bumper. There's issues like
Yeah.
logistic issues. But
Keep the line no matter what. Again, keep it
Before you have the glue, do you have anything to press it in?
Good hybrid one. Because it's, yeah.
Just a little touch.
Well, that's what I'm saying. You fix it and you just touch it.